Hello beauties, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Winnie, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to sew an invisible zipper in a very invisible way, how it will not be showing at all and you stitch it. So if this is what you would like to learn, keep on watching, like my video, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new tutorial. So without too much talking, let's get to the honey of the video. Let's go.
I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. To make this, you are first going to iron your zip side, which is what I've done, and this is my invisible zipper. See the mouth, this is the original one. There is one that the tip is always very flexible, like this is the fake one. So just make sure that you draw the zip and make sure that the zip is in good condition. So I've already ironed my zip side on the dress. So you place your zip in a way that the teeth is going to be facing the ironed part of the zip side, and there is a line very close to the zip panel. That's where you are going to stitch on. So I have moved to my sewing machine and I just placed it like so, and while you are sewing you are going to be opening it up because the line is very close to the teeth. So when you open it up, you will see those lines, those dotted line, and you don't have to rush when you are stitching your invisible zip. Don't rush, just be opening it small and then be stitching it. See the way I'm opening it and then I'm stitching very close. To make this easier, if you are using an industrial machine, you can change your industrial sewing foot to a zipper foot. It will also make the work more easier for you. So you gradually stitch it like so. Don't rush. When you are stitching an invisible zipper, you don't rush. All right, so you are placing it and then you are opening the teeth up. So when you open up the teeth, you see the line very close to it and you keep stitching. Trust me, I was really slow while I was stitching this. I just had to speed it up so that it will not take your time. So you have to be very slow and take everything seriously. Don't rush, don't just sew it anyhow. So I'm just sewing the top part that was not sewn earlier, and then I'm cutting off my thread. So by the time I zip it out, see how it is. See, I opened it up and see where the line is. See, it's very close to the teeth. So I'm just going to zip it now so that you can see what it looks like. So see, now I've already zipped it and see how close it looks. So now let's move on to the second one. For the second part, you are just still going to do it as you've done the first part. You open up your zip overlap that you've ironed and you place your zip in such a way that the teeth is going to be facing the zip overlap, the ironed zip overlap. All right, so it's going to be facing it like so, and then you are going to start opening it up and start stitching again. So I've just opened it up now. So I've tried to open it up, open the teeth up, and then I'm just going to place my needle carefully inside that line so that it can sit there for me, and then I'm going to start stitching. So by the time I stitch, I'm going to be stitching it gradually, and I'll be opening up the teeth area so that I can see the line. If you don't open up the teeth area, you will not see the line. So I'll be opening up the teeth area gradually so that I can see the line, and then I'll keep on stitching. All right, so that's how you're going to be doing it. Just open up the teeth area and then you keep on stitching. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to the channel of beautiful people. On here we make everything DIY and we also encourage ourselves in the Lord. All right, we don't want anybody to be depressed on here. If you love my channel and you love everything that I do, kindly subscribe, click the like button when you like my videos, and you can also post whatever topic you want me to teach on my channel, post it on my community tab, and I'll be prompt to answer you. If this video was helpful, give it a like, drop your questions and thoughts in the comment section down below, because I'll be so glad to hear from you. Thank you. So now I am stitching it. That's what I'm still doing. I'm just trying to open up the teeth area, and then I'll just stitch all the way down, and by the time I'm done, I'm going to show you what it looks like. All right, so as you can see, I'm not rushing. I'm arranging everything and opening the teeth gradually, and then I'm stitching it till I get to the end of it. So once I'm done, I back stitched, and then I cut off my thread. So by the time I'm going to zip it up, see how it looks. Let me just take it to the table so that you can see it properly. So this is the final look. See how neat and clean it looks. If this video was helpful, give it a like. Till I see you in the next one. I love you and I care. Bye.